This is a maple style engineered hardwood flooring click lock mechanism that I got from a lumber liquidator. And I purchased the felt underlayment from Home Depot. This is how the click lock mechanism works. Just click, lock. Pretty easy. You can also use a soft hammer to gently tap them into place so that they are pretty tightly knit together. Now, not all floors are perfectly squared, so you're gonna have to cut a piece from here after you measured it so that you can place them into here. The next tip is that you don't want to align two rows with equal lengths like that. That's not good. You're gonna have to use alternating length, doesn't matter how long, so that they can interlock each other firmly. Now, what many YouTube videos don't tell you is that when you reach the end of the rows and you have to measure and cut a piece so that it fits to here, you actually have to take the other piece to the beginning of the next row and start from there. So then you don't waste this piece. The other reason you're doing this is that once you cut the piece like that, you're gonna lose the click lock mechanism. So the only ideal solution for them is to align each of the smoothly cut edges to the side of the wall. Now, I didn't do that before. I did not take this cut piece and place it there at the beginning of the next row. So now I'm gonna have to remove all those rows, all those last few rows, and do them all over again so that I'm not gonna waste these extra pieces that I just cut off.